Mr. Sahin, welcome. Toshiba introduced a group of new products. Do you think that the ongoing stress in the economy will affect the response of the Greek consumer to these new products?
I don't think that this will affect our consumers because as a Toshiba we are targeting mostly pro-consumers in our new product line. And as far as you know, that this crisis is more affecting mid-class people and low-income people, and I believe that the technology geeks who is trusting for the technology and they would like to buy the consumer technology, which we call them pro-consumers, and they still have a demand for our products.
What target has Toshiba set for the Greek market and the general Southeastern Europe region?
Especially for my region, including Balkans, my target is 100,000 units Windows Mobile during the fiscal year 2009. And I believe that this number will be even not much enough for our targets for this region.
Is there a country that stands out from the region of?
Yes, of course. We can talk about the Greece, and Athens is our squadron for Central Command. We say that for all the Balkan area, and even we are planning to make Egyptian operation via Greece, via Athens, because we believe that Athens is a great hub and culturally having a very strong communication with the region, and also economically Athens is one of the main hub for the region. Most of the Greek operators are operating in the region, like Cosmote, and we are aware about the value of this country, and also we know the value of this cultural interaction between Greece and the region. Like I handled like Fyrom, like Kosovo, like even Bulgaria and Romania will be controlled by Greece.
Do you have any other plans for the region, for Greece especially?
Especially the plan for Athens is motivating the area and triggering the sales of the region directly from Athens.
Do you think that the Balkan area and the Southeastern Europe region in general can catch up with the technological advantages that we see all around the world?
Yes, as far as our researches, we are saying that East Europe, Balkans, Russia, and the nearest is we call as emerging markets. And as a Toshiba, and as also many other international technology companies, prioritizing this area as a main consumer groups, because this area is what we believe young and dynamic areas where the prosumers are really demanding high technology products. And when also we are looking for the region, we can easily see that 3G or 3G plus mobile broadband is currently available in every country. If there is a mobile broadband, there we are, because we are building a strong products for mostly people can use with the mobile broadband. That's why we believe there is a big demand and big requirements for our products, especially a codename project Tsunagi.
Even though the core of the crisis is not the technological sector, we see a slowdown in consumer spending. How does your company shield itself from this mess in the markets?
Yes, one thing that we have an advantage. Toshiba is mainly is engineering company. You may know or not, but we are doing design and production for many international brands, which is, I don't want to tell the names, but most of them you guys know as a giants. We are doing their consoles, we are doing their TVs, we are doing their many products. And when it comes to the word, I would like to express you that we are designer, we are engineer, meantime we are manufacturer of the components, where these components can build many mobile phones or many TV systems. And as 2006 Toshiba decided to make its own brand name more on front of the customers, and we will use our strong manufacturing capability.
But we see big companies like Infineon, for example, that released its set of results, haven't been really hit by the crisis. Do you think that it's the beginning of a trend?
I don't think so. This crisis will affect the real economy very much, when you look, this crisis is affecting mostly for the financial institutes. I mean, every day we are hearing one or two banks is going to bankrupt or close, or you can hear that some of institutes are going down. But can you tell me how many strong company is going to be affected for this? Maybe some US companies, but that's all. But most of them are related with these banks. But as I explained to you, that we are the manufacturer. I mean, we have 30 plus companies in the worldwide, 180,000 employees, and billions of dollars of turnover. And as is today, I didn't hear that we are going to off one of employee, which is we never had in our entire Toshiba history. And Toshiba is promising a company its own employee, and it's also our customers. And we are a 130 years old company. When Toshiba was built, there was many of countries was not exist in this world. And that's why we trust our company, and we believe that strongly we will even handle all this kind of crisis easily.
If I heard correct, you're saying that it's a strategy of Toshiba not laying off personnel during a crisis.
Our innovation is our human sources. And in any crisis, which is I didn't know in entire my work life in this company, I didn't heard anything that we fire people because of the crisis. The company will reduce the cost of marketing, will reduce the cost of, let's say, daily expenses, but never fired its team. We never heard that because of the crisis. This is company philosophy, and this is Japanese culture also.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.